it's Christine from AST. Today I'm going to talk to you about some tips and tricks to make the next party or family gathering you go to hopefully a little more successful. So first of all, you want to make sure to have realistic expectations. How did the last party or event you went to go? What were some challenges? What were some things that you needed to work on? Really focusing especially on those things that went well and how can we continue to improve upon those for this next gathering that we're going to. I also want to prepare in advance. So if I have other children that are coming with my child, I might want to let them know we might have to leave early. Mom might need to go for a walk with your sibling around the block. We might need to take a break. Letting them know those things in advance can also help your other children as well. If I know the host, I might even reach out to them in advance and say, what activities will we be doing? Can I practice those in advance with my child? Maybe my child hates to sing happy birthday. Well, we're going to practice singing happy birthday for a month leading up to the party so that it doesn't lead to a tantrum during the party. I also might ask the host, is it okay if I come a little early to the party so that my child can acclimate a little to the environment and kind of ease into it as guests arrive so we're not walking into a full-blown party with a lot of stimulation. Also, a handy, helpful trick is to have a bag of tricks. For some of our kiddos, we might include novel items, so brand new, exciting items, or I might have items that are very familiar to that particular kiddo. And I want to spread them out throughout the whole party. So I'm not going to give my kid the whole bag of tricks right at once. I might spread it out when there's downtime. That's when I'm bringing out the coloring books. That's when I'm bringing out the Play-Doh. So always keeping something in my back pocket that I can pull out. Also allowing for breaks. It's okay. We don't have to go with the same flow of the party. Maybe there's an activity that I need to modify for my kid. That's okay. Maybe my kid is very overwhelmed right now and I need to go walk around the block with him. That's okay. Maybe we need to go into a separate room where it's quiet, away from all the noise and the music, and that's okay. So just recognizing that it's okay to take breaks, go at your own pace, modify activities, and most importantly, celebrate successes. Even if it's a small success, it's a success. Things are not going to go perfectly every time. Even the best planning, even the best preparing, there's still going to be bumps along the road. So don't get discouraged. Just keep trying new plans and keep it up and do great work, and hope you have a wonderful time at your next party or event. Thanks for watching.